Here's how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your PC or laptop. Open your browser and go to get.adobe.com/reader. This is Adobe's official direct download page for the free Reader version. Before clicking Download, carefully check the Optional Offers section. Adobe frequently pre-checks boxes for additional software, antivirus tools, browser extensions, or other Adobe products that will install alongside Reader if you do not uncheck them first. Take 5 seconds to review and uncheck anything you do not want before proceeding. Click Download Acrobat Reader. The installer will download automatically. Open it from your Downloads folder. The setup window will handle everything from there, downloading any additional required files and installing Reader without needing any further input from you. Once complete, Acrobat Reader will open automatically. You can now open, read, annotate, fill out forms, and print PDF files. For basic PDF viewing, it is completely free with no account required. An Adobe account is only needed for premium features like editing and exporting. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.